Hi K-Bears and families, welcome back. This week I want to show you two of the how-to books that we've been writing in school. So these are student work that I want to share with you today, and I want to talk a little bit about how you can write books, how-to books at home with your little ones. Super easy, I promise. So at first I have this book here to show you, and it's a book on how to have snack. We have snack time at school every day, and this writer decides to write about all the things that we need to do to have snacks. So let's read it a little bit. First, we wash our hands. So here, this writer drew pictures of children lining up. This is our counter with the sink, and then there are the tables and where everything is. You notice that this writer labeled a person's name and some of the things that's on the table. Next, we hand out snack and the water. So again, this writer drew pictures of students in the class and holding onto their snack trays. Then we eat our snack. Last, we clean up. So you'll notice that this writer used some of the expert word that we use in how-to books. First, next, then, and last. These four words are very important as you are writing your how-to book. Here's another one. Again, it's about routine things that we do at school. How to go for recess. First, we line up. So here this writer drew a lineup of children. Then we put on our shoe. This is our shoe rack, and these are shoes. Next, we open the door. There's a label for door, and there are the stairs. Last, we come back. So when recess is finished, we have to come back. So some of the things that you want to pay attention to as you're making your how-to book at home is you have to think of a topic. You have to teach about something. It could be something as simple as how to line up, how to read a book, how to eat snack, how to cut an orange, or it could be something fancy like how to be a doctor, or how to build a building, or how to make a train. Whatever that you feel like you can teach about. Then what you're going to do is think about all the things you need to do. Ask yourself, what do I do first? What do I do then? After that, what do I do? Last, what do I do? This is the planning stage of the how-to book. And then you can start drawing pictures and writing the words. Last, you can also read the book to everybody that you know. So here's my, here's my how-to book for you. It could be as simple as using Post-its or using a couple pieces of paper taped or stapled together. So if I were writing a book today, I might write a book on how to write a how-to book. First, you get some paper and a pen. Then, you think of something to write about. Next, you plan. Last, you draw and write. Go and try and make your own how-to book this weekend. Maybe bring them to school. We can share it with the class. Are you ready for Mrs. Young's book pick this week? This week, I decided to show you a type of book that you can read. These books are ABC books, also called as alphabet books. And what they are is they are books with the alphabets in it, like so. And then there are usually words or a few words that starts with the letter on the page. These books are very handy for early readers. They're also very good for young babies, young children to read. Lots of pictures, lots of vocabularies, and what we're using them right now is to focus on the alphabet sounds. So for example, this is the Eric Carle's ABC book. What we get the readers to do is to say the letter on the page, so A, and then say the sound on the page. A says ah. And then we're going to look at the picture and read the word. Ants. on the letter A page. That's right, because A is at the beginning of ants. And when you say ants, you hear the ah sound. So this is really helpful for the little ones to remember what the alphabet and the sounds are. Oh, it turns this way. And it helps them increase that awareness of listening to the alphabet sounds. So this is one of the many ones that are out there. There are also ones like this, nice and small, and with lots of words on it. A game that you can play with them is called What Comes Next. So for example, we're on the letter B page. You can say to your little one, what's going to come next? Oh, letter C. So just like the alphabet book that we've talked about before, that's the game that you can play. Last, this one is a book that we've put together as teachers, and it's something that you can do as well. You can make your own alphabet books. All you have to do is have 26 pieces of paper, write the alphabet on top, and add your own words and pictures. These could be words or pictures that are meaningful to you and your little one. So spend some time looking through some ABC book, talk about the letters, talk about the sounds, talk about some of the words. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.